Hello everyone. In the last video, we explored the B2B marketing funnel, its stages, strategies, and how to guide leads through the journey effectively. Today, we are going one step further. We are diving deep into overcoming common challenges in B2B marketing. Let me start with this. B2B marketing is not a walk in the park. It's complex, competitive, and constantly evolving. Many marketers feel overwhelmed at times, but here's the good news. Every challenge has a solution. So by the end of this video, you will have actionable tips to navigate these hurdles, and trust me, the last few points are game changers. You won't want to miss them. Let's face it, B2B marketing is a completely different ball game compared to B2C. It's not just about appealing to one individual, it's about convincing an entire organization. You deal with longer sales cycle, multiple decision makers, and highly rational buyers. There's no room for guesswork or shortcuts. But don't let that intimidate you. Instead, think of these challenges as opportunities to improve and innovate. So, what are the biggest hurdles and how do you overcome them? Let's break it down. Now, the first one is target audience. This one is huge. Many B2B marketers struggle to pinpoint the exact businesses they should target. Without a clear understanding of your audience, your campaigns will lack focus. So, what's the solution? Start by creating detailed buyer personas. A buyer persona is not just a vague description like small business owners. Go deeper. What is their industry, their job title, their biggest pain points? Once you know who you are targeting, research where they hang out. Are they active on LinkedIn? Do they attend industry webinars? Focus your efforts where your audience is most likely to engage. So, here is a pro tip: leverage tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find and connect with decision makers. Now, this is second one, high quality leads. See, not all leads are created equal. You can have 1,000 leads, but if none of them are genuinely interested in your product, it's a waste of resources. So, what's the solution? Here it is. Focus on lead qualification. Use strategies like gated content to attract leads who are actively seeking solutions to their problems. For instance, offer a free ebook, white paper, or webinar in exchange for their contact information. Now, don't forget to nurture those leads. Send them personalized emails with helpful content that addresses their challenges. Now, this builds trust and keeps you top of mind when they are ready to buy. Third challenge is managing long sales cycle. See, B2B sales cycle can feel like a marathon. Weeks or even months can go on before you close a deal, which can be frustrating. So, what's the solution? Stay consistent and be patient. Break down the sales cycle into smaller milestones. Celebrate when a lead books a demo or request a proposal. It's progress. Automation tools like HubSpot or Marketio can help you nurture leads over time without overwhelming your team. Now use these tools to send automated follow-ups, educational content, and reminders to keep these leads engaged. Now, fourth challenge is building trust and credibility. B2B buyers are skeptical. They are not just buying a product, they are investing in a partnership. So, how do you prove that you are the right choice? That's a valid question. So, here's the solution: trust building starts with social proof. Share case studies, testimonials, and success stories from businesses similar to your prospects. Numbers speak volumes. If you help the client increase ROI by 50%, shout it out from the rooftops. Consistency is key. So keep your promises and provide exceptional customer service from the first interaction to post sale support. Challenge 5 is, how do you differentiate your brand? In a crowded market, standing out can feel like impossible. So, how do you ensure that prospects choose you over competitors? Here's the solution: focus on your unique selling proposition USP. What sets you apart? Maybe it's your lightning fast customer support, maybe it is your product's ability to integrate seamlessly with existing systems, whatever it is. Highlight this in your messaging. Do not forget about branding. Your logo, website, and even email templates should reflect professionalism and trustworthiness. Remember, first impressions matter. Now, six challenges you all know how to measure ROI. See, many B2B marketers struggle to prove the ROI of their efforts. Without clear metrics, it's hard to justify your budget or strategy. So, here's the solution: set clear KPIs, key performance indicators, before launching any campaign. You need to track metrics like cost per lead, conversion rate, customer acquisition cost, CAC, and customer lifetime value, which is CLV. Use tools like Google Analytics and CRM platforms can help you measure these metrics effectively. Remember, data is your best friend. It shows you what is working and what needs improvement. Next challenge is complex decision making. In B2B, the person you are pitching is not always the one making the final decision. Convincing multiple stakeholders adds layers of complexity. So here's the solution: tailor your approach to each stakeholder. The CFO might care about cost effectiveness while the IT managers focus on integration. So address everyone's concern in your pitch. Make your proposal clear and concise. Include ROI projections, case studies, and testimonials to back up your claims. The more confidence you inspire, the easier it is to win approval from all parties. Next challenge is market changes. See, B2B marketing is not static. Trends like AI, remote work, and data privacy regulations are constantly reshaping the landscape. So here's the solution: stay informed, follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and network with other marketers to stay ahead of the curve. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tools or strategies. For example, if AI tools like ChatGPT are streamlining content creation, explore how they can save you time and improve your messaging. Now comes challenge 9, which is creating content. See, B2B content often gets labeled as boring, but dry technical content won't capture your audience attention. So, what's the solution? Here it is: make your content both informative and engaging. Use storytelling to connect with your audience emotionally. For instance, instead of saying our software improves efficiency, share a story about a client who saved 10 hours a week using your tool. Mix up your formats too. Blog posts are great, but do not underestimate the power of videos, infographics, and interactive content. Now comes the last challenge, challenge number 10, which is budget constraint. See, small budgets can make it hard to compete with large players in your industry. So, what should you do? Focus on high ROI channels like email marketing and LinkedIn. Now, these platforms let you connect with prospects directly without breaking the bank. Invest in tools that automate repetitive tasks, therefore freeing up your team's time for more strategic work. And remember, consistency often beats flashy campaigns. A steady, well executed strategy can deliver great results even on a tight budget. So finally, I can say I will tell that B2B marketing has its challenges, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome them all. Remember, every hurdle is an opportunity to improve and grow. By now, you've got actionable insights to tackle the most common obstacles in B2B marketing. But we are not stopping here. In the next video, we will explore the marketing mix essentials for B2B. Now, this is where we will break down the key components you need to create a winning strategy. So, stay tuned, keep learning, and let's keep conquering the B2B marketing world together.